In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to install a Apeos C2450 on your computer. So the first thing to do would be to find the IP address of the printer. You can do this on the screen of the printer by selecting the icon on the left side. It should pop up with the device settings, and if you click on the connectivity icon, it should pop up with your IP address. This is important later, so just note that down. From there, if you just open up a web browser and type in Apeos C2450S driver, the first site that should pop up would be the Fujifilm one. Click on that. From there, you can see there's multiple drivers. The one you want is the printer software package that will not only help install the driver, but it will just make things a lot more smoother. So if you just click, let it download. Okay, so the file is now downloaded. So this is the file that pops up. Simply click on it. So perfect. So then this is the printer software. As you can see, you can do just a simple driver install, software install. What we want to do is a quick setup. This is how set up the actual printer. May I just accept the terms and conditions for the license. Now, if the printer is connected to the network that your computer's on, the software should pick it up automatically. If not, you will have to manually add the IP address. As you can see, the software has picked up automatically. If not, there should be a red tab or a red warning that comes up saying add manually. From there, you just simply click on that and add the IP address of the printer. Okay, we're going to get install. Again, this might take a little while. So the printer is now successfully installed. It did take a couple minutes, so just be aware it might take anywhere from a minute to 5 minutes, depending on your network connectivity. So from here, you can restart the computer right now. There's no difference either way. From restarting now or restarting later, you'll still be able to use the software right away. So that's finished. From here, you still go to printers and scanners. You can see the Fujifilm Apeos has popped up. If you go into properties, we'll just check the driver is correct. The FF Apeos 2450. That's good. Go to print defaults. It's set to A4. If it isn't set to A4, usually it might pop up as letter. Simply change it, hit apply. And as you can also see, it is in black and white. That is set as default. If you want to change it to color, again, simply select and apply. If you have any additional installed parts, this is where you come in and add it in installable options. If it's simply just a printer, you don't have to worry about it. From here, next step will be go into preferences, and again, this will be the default preferences for your printer. So if you want black and white or color, simply select what you want. Again, A4, portrait, landscape, print double-sided, single-sided. This is where you'd select those options and set them as defaults. So I've set it to black and white, A4. Let's go one-sided print. Apply, save. And we'll print a test page. Yep, perfect. It's gone through. That's done. The printer is now installed.